Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to customize your taskbar. So if you want to move this aside here, then this video will be a very beneficial to you. Okay, without any further ado, let's dive into the process. First is here at the bottom search bar, you need to search for taskbar settings. Okay? So once done, you need to locate the best match and then click on open. Okay? So once you are being redirected here, you need to locate the customized icon or option for task manager. Okay? Here under the other system tray icons, you need to click this to show or hide additional tray icons. Click the arrow here, and once you click that, just have to scroll down. Sorry, it is not that. It is task behaviors, okay? Then once done, you need to scroll down to locate this taskbar alignment. Now here's the catch. As you can see, my taskbar is in the center and we're going to move that to the left side by clicking here, okay? And if you want to reset that, you want to go back to its normal, just have to locate center, okay? So we'll be selecting this left side because I like it to be there, okay? So hopefully this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.